2 मार्च 2020 को मरीन ड्राइव पे बैठे बैठे अक्षय ने मुझसे पूछा,
नहीं, you say.
why should I say it? I'm giving you a cue. Go.
Are we in a relationship?
No. You asked me, will you be my girlfriend?
Oh. Yes.
कुछ मैं नहीं पूछ लिया.
Will you be my girlfriend? Will you be my wife, Sirbi?
अब रीच आउट वो थी हम थे वो थी और समा रंगीन समझ गए ना जाते थे जापान पहुंच गए चीन समझ गए ना हने प्यार हो गया.
अक्षय was very excited to get a ring, you know, वो बहुत excited था और उसने बताया था हमें and he was excited मैं अभी करूँगा propose, अभी करूँगा. तो we still remember, you know, पूरा plan करके वो एक beautiful evening night कहीं पे उसे सुरभि को लेके गया था. Perfect picture था, sunset था या कुछ था एक garden में.
Being Akshay, it was a big deal for him because he's not
very expressive.
Very big on. He's not very expressive, big on gestures. But Surbhi उसके लिए इतना matter करती है that he was like नहीं मुझे कुछ करना है ना, I have to propose in a way that impresses her and he was very concerned about it. तो सब कुछ आके मेरे से डिस्कस करता था. उसको affirmation चाहिए था कि जो कर रहा है वो बेस्ट है and he actually planned the best.
कौन ज्यादा खर्चा करता है? Who is the spender? That was quick Surbhi.
When she met Akshay, it was like one of those conversations where we were sitting in a cab and she's like, you know what, I have to tell you something. I'm like, are you seeing someone? Are you not? Like, now's the time you have to tell me. She's like, listen, I have not told anyone yet, but then...
What?
Yes. Okay, I don't know if Shruta will never mind that. And then she told me there's this guy and like we met at Constellations, the play, and well, it's been like a couple of months. So I mean, I think so that was way back in 2019 or 20 something like that. 19 and 20 beginning, something like that. So yeah, it's been great 4 years knowing Akshay as well.
Yeah.
And I think he's a perfect match for her.
हम थे वो थी और समा रंगीन समझ गए ना जाते थे जापान पहुंच गए चीन समझ गए ना.
सुनी इज अ वेरी स्वीट गर्ल. जितना भी हम मिले हैं, टाइम स्पेंड किए, बहुत हैपनिंग है, बहुत प्यारी है. वो दोनों एक दूसरे को बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं.
सितारों से सजी हंसी ये शाम है, इसका मिजाज भी कुछ और है.
Like when I got to know about her moving to London for studies, and I was like, yeah, go for it. It is good for you and good for the future. But deep down, I was also sad at the same time. Being in a long distance relationship isn't a really nice feeling when you can't meet the person whom you love, whom you used to meet probably on a daily basis, or at least like for a major part in a week.
I just couldn't have done it without his support, because it's not easy to, just say, yes, you should go, knowing the fact that, you'll be in a long distance relationship in different time zones, and it's difficult to make it work, but he did it beautifully.
तेरा साथ दूं हर पल भी वादा मेरा ये जान लो मेरे साथ तू अब है यही जाने न दूं मुस्कान तेरी
2nd of March जब हमारी शादी हुई वो हमारा 4th एनिवर्सरी भी था.
इसीलिए
So,
2nd मार्च को
इसीलिए
शादी
2nd मार्च को शादी हुई है. So I think ये वीडियो जो भी देखेगा they have a secret of ours with them.
Yeah.